In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Flexispot discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Flexispot discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say this one with 5% discount, all you need to do right here is simply select your coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code. And you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes, as you can see. So, for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this $10 discount, all you need to do right here is simply select this get deal option. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. You can simply tap right here to on this button which says get offer, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.